क्या तुम अकेली बाजार गई थी? Did you go to the market alone? Did you go to the market alone? नहीं, मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ गई थी। No, I went with my friends. No, I went with my friends. क्या खरीदा तुमने? What did you buy? What did you buy? मैंने कुछ नहीं खरीदा। I didn't buy anything. I didn't buy anything. तुम्हें सबसे ज्यादा क्या पसंद आया? What did you like the most? What did you like the most? चलो मैं तुम्हें पानी देती हूँ। Let me give you some water. Let me give you some water. मुझे अभी नहीं चाहिए। I don't need it now. I don't need it now. अब इतने परेशान क्यों हो? Why are you so worried? Why are you so worried? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? ये देखो। Look at this. Look at this. बहुत अच्छा है। That's great. That's great. ये क्या है? What is it? What is it? इसमें क्या खास है? What's special about it? What's special about it? तुम्हें ये कैसे मिला? How did you got this? How did you got this? मैं कहने ही वाला था। I was about to say. I was about to say. मैंने क्या किया? What did I do? What did I do? आपको याद दिलाने की ज़रूरत है? Do you need a reminder? Do you need a reminder? मुझे अब कुछ काम है। I have something to do now. I have something to do now. हमारे पास पैसे खत्म हो गए। We ran out of money. We ran out of money. अब क्या करेंगे? What will we do now? What will we do now? आपने कितना पैसा खर्च किया? How much money did you spend? How much money did you spend? हम आपके साथ हैं। We are with you. We are with you. हम कोई बिजनेस आइडिया निकाल सकते हैं। We can come up with a business idea. We can come up with a business idea. क्या आपके पास कोई कुशलता है? Do you have any skills? Do you have any skills? हम कोई उपाय निकाल सकते हैं। We can find a solution. We can find a solution. ये क्या है? What's this? What's this? मैं ये अच्छे से जानना चाहती हूँ। I want to know this clearly. I want to know this clearly. ये किस लिए है? What is this for? What is this for? ये गाइड करने के लिए है। It's for guidance. It's for guidance. इसका यूज कैसे करेंगे? How will you use it? How will you use it? ये क्या करने के लिए है? What is it supposed to do? What is it supposed to do? लाओ मुझे दो। Give it to me. Give it to me. ये रहा, ले लो। Here it is. Take it. Here it is. Take it. तुम्हें ये चाहिए था क्या? Is this what you needed? Is this what you needed? कुछ हुआ है क्या? Did something happen? Did something happen? मुझे नहीं पता। I'm not sure. I'm not sure. किसी को चोट लगी थी क्या? Was anyone hurt? Was anyone hurt? अब सब ठीक तो है? Is everything okay now? Is everything okay now? उसने कितना गलत किया? How wrong has she done? How wrong has she done? उसने क्या किया था? What exactly did she do? What exactly did she do? ये कैसे हुआ? How did this happen? How did this happen? मुझे नहीं पता, मैं समझ नहीं पाई। I don't know, I couldn't understand. I don't know, I couldn't understand. ये मेरी गलती की वजह से हुआ। It happened because of my mistake. It happened happened because of my mistake. यह सब मेरे समझ के बाहर है. All this is beyond my understanding. All this is beyond my understanding. यह तो बहुत अजीब है. This is very strange. This is very strange. चिंता मत करो, मैंने सब कुछ संभाल लिया. Don't worry, I took care of everything. Don't worry, I took care of everything. आपने बहुत अच्छा किया. You did a great job. You did a great job. मुझे पता था कि मैं आप पर भरोसा कर सकती हूँ. I knew I could trust you. I knew I could trust you. मुझे पता है इससे कैसे छुटकारा पाना है. I know how to get rid of it. I know how to get rid of it. तो फिर आप ऐसा क्यों नहीं करते? Then why don't you do it? Then why don't you do it? क्या तुमने ये देखा? Did you see it? Did you see it? नहीं, मैंने नहीं देखा. No, I didn't see. No, I didn't see. मैंने सिर्फ सुना है, देखा नहीं. I've only heard, didn't see. I've only heard, didn't see. ये तो सिर्फ शुरुआत है. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. ये तो बस ट्रेलर है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. This is just the trailer. The movie is yet to come. This is just the trailer. The movie is yet to come. इसके बारे में सपने में भी मत सोचो. Don't even dream about it. Don't even dream about it. ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा. This will never happen. This will never happen. ये भी मत सोचो कि यह असंभव है. Don't even think it's impossible. Don't even think it's impossible. यह सिर्फ कल्पना है, हकीकत नहीं. This is just imagination, not reality. This is just imagination, not reality. मेरे पास भी तुम्हारे लिए एक सरप्राइज है. I have a surprise for you too. I have a surprise for you too. मेरे लिए कैसा सरप्राइज? For me? What kind of surprise? For me? What kind of surprise? मैं इंतजार कर रही हूँ. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. ये जरूर कुछ अच्छा होगा. It must be something good. It must be something good. मुझे यह बहुत पसंद आया, शुक्रिया. I love it. Thanks. I love it. Thanks. ये मेरे लिए बहुत खास है. This is very special for me. This is very special for me. आपने मेरा दिन बना दिया. You made my day. You made my day. मैं इसे रखूंगी. I'll keep it. I'll keep it. ये हमेशा मेरे साथ रहेगा. It'll always be with me. It'll always be with me. यह मेरे पास सुरक्षित रहेगा. It'll be safe with me. It'll be safe with me. आपने वो कैसे किया? How did you do that? How did you do that? ये तो बस एक राज है. It's just a secret. It's just a secret. मेरे पास यह टैलेंट है. I have this talent. I have this talent. मैंने बहुत मेहनत की. I worked hard. I worked hard. मेहनत करने से ही सफलता मिलती है. Success comes only through hard work. Success comes only through hard work. यह काफी नहीं होगा. This won't be enough. This won't be enough. हमें अपने आप को और बेहतर बनाना होगा. We need to improve ourselves more. We need to improve ourselves more. आपको ये कैसा लगा? How do you like it? How do you like it? ये बिल्कुल सही है. It's absolutely right. It's absolutely right. आप मुझे डराना चाहते थे. You wanted to scare me. You wanted to scare me. मुझे लगता है तुम्हें डरने की जरूरत नहीं थी. I think you didn't need to get scared. I think you didn't need to get scared. आप खुद को क्या समझते हो? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? मुझे पता है वो क्या कर रही है. I know what she is up to. I know what she is up to. वो क्या कर रही है मुझे भी बताओ. What she is up to? Tell me too. What she is up to? Tell me too. आपको पता है तो आप उसे रोक क्यों नहीं रहे? If you know, then why aren't you stopping her? If you know, then why aren't you stopping her? वह वहाँ क्या कर रही है? What is she doing there? What is she doing there? मैंने हर कोशिश की. I tried everything. I tried everything. फिर भी कुछ नहीं हुआ. Still nothing happened. Still nothing happened. तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा किसने किया? Who did this to you? Who did this to you? यह सब बहुत ही खराब लग रहा है. All this looks really bad. All this looks really bad. यह मेरे लिए सचमुच बहुत बुरा समय है. It's a really bad time for me. It's a really bad time for me. यह मेरे लिए कठिन परीक्षा है. This is a tough test for me. This is a tough test for me. तुम किस बात पर हंस रही हो? What are you laughing at? What are you laughing at? मैं आपकी बात से हंस रही हूँ. I'm laughing at what you say. I'm laughing at what you say. आपके बोलने का तरीका बहुत फनी है. Your way of speaking is very funny. Your way of speaking is very funny. मैं आपकी हर बात पर हंस रही हूँ. I'm laughing at everything you say. I'm laughing at everything you say. आपको खुद को थोड़ा संवारना चाहिए. You should groom yourself a bit. You should groom yourself a bit. क्या तुम मुझे कुछ सुझाव दे सकती हो? Can you give me some suggestions? Can you give me some suggestions? मैं खुद को बेहतर बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I'm trying to improve myself. I'm trying to improve myself. मुझे लगता है आपको अपने फैसले पर दोबारा सोचना चाहिए. I think you should rethink your decision. I think you should rethink your decision. तुम्हारा सुझाव मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. Your suggestion is very important to me. Your suggestion is very important to me. वहाँ क्या है? What's there? What's there? मैं नहीं जानती लेकिन हम पता लगा सकते हैं. I don't know but we can find out. I don't know but we can find out. चलो साथ में देखते हैं. Let's find out together. Let's find out together. ये डरावना लग रहा है. This looks scary. This looks scary. अब क्या होगा? What is going to happen? What is going to happen? आगे कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है. Something good is going to happen next. Something good is going to happen next. आगे क्या होगा ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा. Only time will tell what will happen next. Only time will tell what will happen next. क्या मैंने यह किया? Did I do that? Did I do that? मुझे नहीं पता लेकिन हम देखेंगे. I don't know but we will see. I don't know but we will see. शायद आपको याद नहीं है. Maybe you don't remember. Maybe you don't remember. तुम्हें याद है तो तुम ही बताओ. If you remember then you tell me. If you remember then you tell me. यह हमारे लिए अच्छा नहीं है. It's not good for us. It's not good for us. मुझे ये महसूस हो रहा है. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. मैं भी यही महसूस कर रही हूँ. I'm also feeling the same thing. I'm also feeling the same thing. क्या हो रहा है मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. What's happening? I don't understand. What's happening? I don't understand. मुझे सच में देर हो रही है. I'm actually getting late. I'm actually getting late. चलो मैं तुम्हें छोड़ देता हूँ. Let's go. I'll drop you off. Let's go. I'll drop you off. थोड़ा रुकिए. Wait a bit. Wait a bit. जल्दी करो हमें जाना है. Hurry up. We have to go. Hurry up. We have to go. मैं भी लेट हो जाऊंगा. चलो जल्दी. I'll be late too. Let's go quickly. I'll be late too. Let's go quickly. सुनो, तुम अपना फोन भूल गए. Listen, you forgot your phone. Listen, you forgot your phone. अरे नहीं, मैं अभी जाके ले आता हूँ. Oh no, I'll go get it now. Oh no, I'll go get it now. याद दिलाने के लिए शुक्रिया. Thanks for reminding. Thanks for reminding. वो कहाँ चली गई? Where did she go? Where did she go? आप किसे ढूंढ रहे हो? Who are you looking for? Who are you looking for? उसने बताया था वो कहाँ जा रही थी? Did she say where was she going? Did she say where was she going? वो थोड़ी देर के लिए बाहर गई है. She stepped out for a bit. She stepped out for a bit. क्या उसके पास उसका फोन है? Does she have her phone? Does she have her phone? वो कब तक वापस आएगी? When will she be back? When will she be back? क्या वो किसी जरूरी काम से गई थी? Did she go for some important work? Did she go for some important work? क्या उसके साथ कोई गया था? Did someone go with her? Did someone go with her? नहीं, वो अकेली गई थी. No, she went alone. No, she went alone. मैं बस निकलने ही वाला था. I was just about to leave. I was just about to leave. क्या कोई जरूरी काम है? Is there some urgent work? Is there some urgent work? हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are we going? Where are we going? मैं आपके साथ चलूंगी. I'll go with you. I'll go with you. आप मुझे इंतजार करने के लिए कह रहे हो क्या? Are you asking me to wait? Are you asking me to wait? नहीं, चलो अब चलते हैं. No, let's go now. No, let's go now. तुम्हें आने की जरूरत नहीं है. You don't need to come. You don't need to come. अगर आपको जरूरत होगी तो मैं आ जाऊंगी. I'll come if you need me. I'll come if you need me. कोई जरूरत नहीं है, मैं ठीक हूँ. No need, I'm fine. No need, I'm fine. मुझे थोड़ा चक्कर आ रहा था. I was feeling a bit dizzy. I was feeling a bit dizzy. आप ठीक हो? अब कैसी तबीयत है आपकी? Are you okay? How are you feeling now? Are you okay? How are you feeling now? क्या आपने कुछ खाया? Did you eat something? Did you eat something? क्या आपने आराम किया? Did you rest? Did you rest? आपको कब से ऐसा लग रहा है? How long have you been feeling this way? How long have you been feeling this way? मैं डॉक्टर को बुलाऊं? Should I call the doctor? Should I call the doctor? नहीं, मैं ठीक हूँ. No, I'm fine. No, I'm fine. आप सच कह रहे हो? Are you telling the truth? Are you telling the truth? हाँ, मैं बिल्कुल सच कह रहा हूँ. Yes, I'm absolutely telling the truth. Yes, I'm absolutely telling the truth. चलो अभी इसके बारे में बात नहीं करते हैं. Let's not talk about it right now. Let's not talk about it right now. मैं काफी बेहतर महसूस कर रहा हूँ. I'm feeling much better. I'm feeling much better. क्या अब आप कुछ खाना चाहोगे? Would you like to eat something now? Would you like to eat something now? हाँ, कुछ हल्का सा ठीक रहेगा. Yes, something light would be great. Yes, something light would be great. हमारे पास क्या ऑप्शन है? What options do we have? What options do we have? अंदर आओ और आराम करो. Come inside and rest. Come inside and rest. आपने सचमुच मुझे डरा दिया था. You really scared me. You really scared me. ऐसा पहले कभी नहीं हुआ था. This had never happened before. This had never happened before. हम इससे सीखेंगे और आगे बढ़ेंगे. We'll learn from this and move forward. We'll learn from this and move forward. ये एक नया अनुभव था. This was a new experience. This was a new experience. क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि यह फिर से होगा? Do you think it will happen again? Do you think it will happen again? हम इसके लिए क्या तैयारी कर सकते हैं? How can we prepare for this? How can we prepare for this? मैं 1-2 दिन में आऊंगी. I'll come in a day or two. I'll come in a day or two. आने से पहले मुझे मैसेज कर देना. Message me before you come. Message me before you come. कुछ ज़रूरी काम है, मुझे जाना होगा. It's something important and I have to go. It's something important and I have to go. ठीक है, जाओ और अपना काम संभालो. All right, go and take care of your work. All right, go and take care of your work. कब तक वापस आओगे? When will you return? When will you return? आपने अपना वादा नहीं निभाया. You didn't keep your promise. You didn't keep your promise. आपने अपना वादा क्यों तोड़ा? Why did you break your promise? Why did you break your promise? मुझे माफ कर दो, यह मेरी गलती थी. Forgive me, it was my mistake. मैं तुम्हें फिर से कैसे खुश कर सकता हूँ? How can I make you happy again? तुम अकेली कैसे जाओगी? How will you go alone? How will you go alone? मैं ठीक हूँ, मुझे जाने दो. I'm fine, let me go. I'm fine, let me go. अगर कुछ हो गया तो? What if something happens? What if something happens? मैं अपनी सुरक्षा का ख्याल रखूंगी. I'll take care of my safety. I'll take care of my safety. क्या तुम्हारी उसके साथ लड़ाई हुई थी? Did you have a fight with him? Did you have a fight with him? क्या मैं उसे अपने साथ ले जाऊं? Can I take her with me? Can I take her with me? उससे पूछ लो, अगर जाना चाहती है तो जाओ. Ask her if she wants to go. Ask her if she wants to go. क्या वो जाने के लिए तैयार है? Is she ready to go? Is she ready to go? आप उसे कहाँ ले जा रहे हो? Where are you taking her? Where are you taking her? मुझे इस बारे में उससे बात करनी है. I need to talk to her about this. I need to talk to her about this. ठीक है, उससे बात करो और अपना confusion दूर करो. All right, talk to her and clear your confusion. All right, talk to her and clear your confusion. मेरी बात तो सुनो. Listen to what I have to say. Listen to what I have to say. अब क्या कहना चाहते हो? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? ये जरूरी है क्या? Is this necessary? Is this necessary? तो मैं क्या करूं? So what do I do? So what do I do? उसका मूड बहुत खराब है. She is in a very bad mood. She is in a very bad mood. उसे थोड़ा समय दो, वो ठीक हो जाएगी. Give her some time, she'll be fine. Give her some time, she'll be fine. क्या हम उसके लिए कुछ कर सकते हैं? Can we do something for her? Can we do something for her? उससे क्या परेशानी है? What's bothering her? What's bothering her? मैं जाकर देखती हूँ. I'll go and see. I'll go and see. क्या हो गया है तुम्हें? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? क्या कह रहे थे आप? What were you saying? What were you saying? तुम्हारा ध्यान कहाँ था? Where was your attention? Where was your attention? मुझे क्या सुनना चाहिए? What should I listen to? What should I listen to? आपको क्या लगता है, मैंने उसे बुलाया था? What do you think? I called him. What do you think? I called him. आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है? Why do you think so? Why do you think so? अब क्या करना है? What to do now? What to do now? मैं तो उसे समझाने की कोशिश कर रही थी. I was actually trying to explain to him. I was actually trying to explain to him. किस बारे में? About what? About what? क्या तुम मेरे सवाल का जवाब दोगी? Will you answer my question? Will you answer my question? मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए. I need some time. I need some time. मेरे पास जवाब नहीं है. I don't have the answer. I don't have the answer. कौन सा था? Which one was it? Which one was it? वह पहले वाला था. It was the first one. It was the first one. मुझे याद नहीं, शायद दूसरा वाला था. I don't remember. Maybe it was the second one. I don't remember. Maybe it was the second one. क्या तुम्हें फिर से देखना है? Do you want to see it again? Do you want to see it again? उसने मुझे इस बारे में बताया था. He told me about it. He told me about it. क्या तुम्हें इसके बारे में कुछ पता है? Do you know anything about it? Do you know anything about it? आपको कहाँ से पता चला? Where did you find out? Where did you find out? पर आपने हमें क्यों नहीं बताया? But why didn't you tell us? But why didn't you tell us? मैं भूल गया. I forgot. I forgot. मुझे लगा ये ज़रूरी नहीं था. I thought it wasn't important. I thought it wasn't important. मुझे लगा तुम्हें पहले से पता है. I thought you already knew. I thought you already knew. अब हम क्या करें? What do we do now? What do we do now? मैं ऐसा नहीं होने दूंगा. I won't let it happen. I won't let it happen. हम इससे कैसे निपट सकते हैं? How can we deal with it? How can we deal with it? किसका फोन है? Whose call is it? Whose call is it? आप फोन क्यों नहीं उठा रहे? Why aren't you answering the phone? Why aren't you answering the phone? आप ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you